Look at you upside down. Hello. Hello. Upside down. Woo. There's a boy. Upside down. Woo. There you go. Woo. There you go. Good boy, Fred. Woo, is that fun? Oh boy, upside down, upside down, upside down. Get it, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Oh boy. Woo, go Freddy, go, go Freddy, go, go Freddy, go. Sorry I'm bouncing the camera a lot, but this is funny. Woo! There you go! Good job, Fred! Good job! Ah, good jiggy with it, buddy. Woo! Whoa! Get it, buddy, go! Go, buddy, go! Woo! Ah, get it, buddy! Oh yeah, get some of that anxiety out, bud. Yeah, you get some anxiety out there. Get some energy burned off. Woo! Upside down! Upside down! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Woo! This is some of the stuff he does when you're not here. Brett, don't you think about it. Woo! Hello! Hey there, little bird! Jump! Alright, he can get some flight, boy. Hi, Fred! No, you can't fly over here.